Place a laundry capsule on a sheet of toilet paper and pour hot water over it. When the paper starts to soften, remove the cardboard roll with tongs. Press the paper down to reduce its volume, then crumble it with your fingers. Transfer some of the paper to a bowl and pour your favorite fabric softener over it. Its ingredients keep a fresh scent for a long time. Add scent beads and a little mouthwash, known for its antibacterial properties. Finish by adding dish soap. Prepare a second bowl and transfer the remaining paper into it. Sprinkle coffee over it, which absorbs unpleasant odors. Then add whole black peppercorns, which naturally repel insects. Place the mixture with dish soap on the toilet tank. It will make the bathroom smell fresh within minutes and replace artificial chemical fresheners. Put the second bowl on the balcony or by the door. This way, no insects will enter your home, as the strong scent of the mixture will keep them away.